Several people in the state of Manipur have strongly reacted to the ADC bill proposed by the Hill Area Committee. The existence of two governments, one for the valley and another in the hills, is objected because it is unconstitutional and a bill cannot be passed by the Manipur Legislative Assembly but can only be raised in the Indian Parliament. Majority of the citizens of Manipur disagree with the bill because it is against the integrity of the state. It was announced that if the indefinite economic blockade called by Atsum is not lifted, there will be a counter blockade in the valley as well. Furthermore, it is revealed that those who support the bill, namely T.N. Haukif, Lacio and Alfred, resides in Imphal Valley, and the protesters will storm in their houses and ask them to leave the valley permanently and settle in the hills. There will be a strong movement against those who support the bill if they do not withdraw the blockade and the bill.